Integrated Wellness Clinic 360 degree care. Today we would like to talk about autoimmune disease and how we manage it at the Integrated Wellness Clinic with the integrated approach. Most commonly when the patient comes to us with symptoms like dryness of mouth or dryness of eyes and general dryness in the body, we not only take the whole history and try to see what are the comorbid conditions are attached to this dryness, and when we are ready with the case history, we perform necessary investigations. The internal medicine specialist Dr. Ruby Bansal will advise all the necessary investigations which rules out diseases one by one, and then we do immune markers, and then we reach a conclusion that this is a case of autoimmune pathology. So for example, supposingly it is a case of Sjogren syndrome. So then the homeopathic medicines will be directed towards that autoimmune disease process, and slowly we try to modify this immune reaction of the body. The cells which have turned against its own immune system, that is the autoimmune disease, is tackled by suitable homeopathic medicines. And if the patient needs a suitable allopathic medication is also added. And along with that, proper diet management. Our clinical nutritionist Dr. Deepika Kohli will give an individualized streamlined diet which will help you with symptomatic relief, and also slowly it will be curative in action. I am the homeopath Dr. Priya Kapoor. I'll give suitable homeopathic regime, and together we see to it that with minimal side effects, and because this autoimmune illness is a prolonged illness, it takes a lot of time for the immune system to come back to its normal state and not react against its own cells and damage its own major organs. So this is the kind of approach, and we are seeing the rise of autoimmune illness. And this kind of illness, if anybody in your family or friends suffer, kindly refer them to the Integrated Wellness Clinic. We are here to let them heal and help them in this difficult illness. Jai Hind.